What's up YouTube? It's your girl Michaela Monique and I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be the unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro, which I'm really excited about. Just to give you guys a little bit of backstory, I had the iPhone XR for about 3 years, so I haven't upgraded. I didn't feel that I had the need to, but this year Apple released a new phone, and on top of that there was an offer that I could not pass up as far as financing the phone. So with my old iPhone XR here, still in pretty good condition, right? Still doing good. Only thing is I've had a little bit of glitches lately, just like some software type stuff, but as far as the phone holding up, it's done pretty well. Okay, so with my old iPhone XR, I paid the phone off about a year ago and I've been enjoying having a lower phone bill. The phone carrier that I'm now with is actually offering a really good deal to where the amount that I was paying for a paid off iPhone XR is just a little bit less than what it cost me to have a brand new iPhone 13 Pro. So without saying any names of the carrier, I just wanted you guys to, if you're looking in the market for the iPhone 13, check out some of your carriers' promotions, because they are offering things like trading in your old iPhone. They have crazy savings right now for you to be able to get the new phones. So that is why I'm upgrading. I'm excited for the new camera quality. I'm excited for the new features. So I wanted to show you guys now what that all entails. So this is gonna be the new gold iPhone 13 Pro. This is the first phone that I've had that came in a black box. I think I remember when I had the 10 3 years ago, it came in a white box. So this is nice, very, very sleek. I like how they have the gold letters. They obviously have the gold phone. And it's just a really nice box. I could see myself holding on to this box just for the aesthetic. As far as the background specs of my phone, I have the 13 Pro. It has 128 gigs. So previously I had the iPhone 10 with 64 gigs, but now with the new 13, the minimum that you can get is the 128. So we're already doubling the amount of storage, which I'm really excited for, because I do have a lot of files between TikTok, music, podcasts, photos. I have thousands and thousands of pictures on my phone. So that is a lot better for me to be able to have way more storage just out the gate. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. We have the box, right? I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so it looks like on the back, there's a strip that you're supposed to pull. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull that strip off. I guess that's what's stopping me from actually opening the box. Okay, yeah, that was stopping it. So you have to peel the strip off first, and then you'll be able to easily unbox the phone, okay? All right, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is gonna be unboxing the phone. Fresh out the gate. It's a very metallic look. Looks very chic. As far as transparency on the back of the phone, I don't really see much of that. Looks like it's not very like mirrorless, kind of like how the silver phones are, where you could literally see your reflection in the back of it. The gold phone is not like that. So we have the basic iPhone box. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone out. I'm so nervous actually handling this phone because I'm very clumsy typically, and this phone doesn't have a case on it yet, so I'm just trying to be really careful with it. Okay, so the phone is gonna come with a white sheet on it. So it has different labels, if you guys can see. It has the sound letting you know that this is the plus and the minus. This is gonna be where you're charging the phone, and then obviously this is where you power the phone up. So not too much different as far as the buttons go, right? We have the same buttons in the same spots, but the phone is more square than my previous phone. It had more of a rounded shape, so this is gonna be a little bit more sleek and rectangular. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off, okay. All right, and then now you can see a little bit closer what I was saying about the phone. As far as the back, you can't really see your reflection too well, but on the sides of the phone, I can see a little bit more of that mirror quality where you can see your reflection in the side of the phone. Now, what I'm most excited for are these cameras, which probably won't be shown on this video, but just having 3 cameras is already a big difference from what I had previously with only 2 cameras, and just being able to have like a wider lens as far as filming and taking pictures. Really exciting. Okay, So as far as the box goes, Apple no longer gives us free headphones. So only in this box, the only thing we have is a USB cord. It doesn't come with the brick anymore, hence why we have a smaller box than we're used to. So it only comes with the cord, just standard cord for the iPhone. And looks like in here, we have a couple things. Oh, so this is gonna be for porting the phone and starting it up. And then the second thing we have in the box is gonna be an Apple logo sticker. And lastly, looks like some instructions as far as the phone. So talking about before you're using the phone, how to charge the phone, things of that sort. So very handy, really good stuff. So besides that, that's about it for the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and start porting and transferring my phone over. The new thing that we have with the new iPhone 13 is that we don't have to necessarily use iCloud to transfer our files. It's using a better technology now where we're able to kind of use sort of like a QR code, barcode, and literally transfer everything that's on the present phone over to the new phone a lot faster. We could do it at home. So let's go ahead and get into that. So this is gonna be my old iPhone, right? Old phone. New phone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and power this phone up now. Okay, so the phone's powering up. Okay, we have a nice display with the cursive hello. Looks like that might be some other language. This is really cool. And like in the background, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like really colorful. I like that. So yeah, bonjour, all of that. Okay, so we're gonna swipe to open. Obviously, we're clicking English. And I'm not gonna show the entire transfer process because it will take a while, but just the beginning steps. Obviously, we're in the United States. As far as quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. Okay, so now that I have the phones next to each other, I'm getting a notification from my old phone asking me to set up the new phone. Okay, so now I have the two phones side by side. It's asking me to scan the new phone with the code. And then entering my old passcode on the new phone. Looks like right now it's actually transferring. I've heard that it can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and let me know in the comments what phone you have, if you plan on getting the iPhone 13, what features you're excited about. I'm most excited about the camera quality and probably being able to FaceTime people that don't have an iPhone. So that means, you know, other family members can finally see face to face. So that's super exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching.